I'm Laura from eSpokes Electric Bikes, and when you buy an e-bike from us, we always run through at handover general usage and things that you need to know about the bike. So today I'm going to talk you through the Roodog Cosmo and what you need to know, how to use it, how to charge it and how to fold it. So to start with, switching on and off. So on this display here, we've got the on-off button there. So switch that on and you can see the lights have lit up here and it's come on with one light here. This indicator up here shows you how much battery power you've got, and this one here shows you your levels of assist. So you can take it off altogether, so there's nothing lit up now, so you would just be riding it like an ordinary bike without any power. And then if you get to a hill or you're getting tired, you can start putting the power on, and it's got 5 levels up to maximum. So that's the bike doing most of the work for you. So on this side here, we've got the gears. So you push this button to go up into a higher gear, so where it's going to be harder to pedal, and this lever here, which is also a push lever, you push it and that brings it down the gears, so easier to pedal. You should always pull away in a lower gear, so like you would in your car, pull away in first, work your way up through the gears and you'll go faster on that. You've got the brake levers here, so left lever is your back brake, right lever is your front brake. Again, use them both together gently. They are disc brakes, so they are very responsive. Over on this side, we have a throttle, so that will give you 4 miles an hour. So if I turn it now, it won't go. There's a little button here, and you push that. That's now enabled my throttle. So now when I turn it, the motor will go. So to use the power assist, you have to do quarter to half a turn of the pedal. So that throttle is useful just to bridge that gap. It will give you instant power until the motor has kicked in on your levels of assist. Or if, for instance, you've left it in too high a gear, you might find it quite hard to pedal off. That's when that's quite useful as well. So it will just give you that instant power. We have got lights that run off of it as well. So to switch those on, you press and hold the plus button, and that should have brought the lights on, I think. Yep, so it's quite hard to see out here where it's bright. So we do have front and rear lights that run off of the battery. And then to switch the bike off, don't forget it's up here, your on-off switch. So the bike is now off. You have got 2 bells on this one, so you've got one just underneath there, and then you've got one here that's part of the brake lever. You just pull that towards you, and that's the bell there. Okay, so now for charging the bike. So the battery here, you can charge it on or off the bike. So if you are charging on the bike, we have got a charging point here. Okay, so a little grommet just comes undone. So your charger goes in there. I'll just show you. Okay, so charger would go into here, and then this bit plugs into the box there, and then this bit into your plug socket like you would your phone or your laptop. So a little light will come on there. It will be red, and then once it's fully charged it will go green. Okay. Make sure that the bike is always off before charging, and don't do it in sort of direct sunlight, don't do it in really hot conditions, so in a nice cool place would be good. So if we are charging the battery off of the bike, so you will need the key to take the battery off. So you do get 2 keys with the bike, so I suggest you have one that you use all the time and then one that you keep safe. Okay, so to remove the battery, key goes in here, turn it clockwise, and that just releases the battery off there. Okay, so your charging point is now up here. So you would plug the charger into there, and then the same as if you were charging it on the bike. Okay, and then to put the battery back on, so oh, I've turned it upside down, so just locate it in the bottom first. So you'll see the key has now, it's stopped me from pushing it in there. So just turn the key, and then you can, once it's let it in, push it in, and then the key just comes out. Okay. Right, so once that's out, I will now show you how to fold the bike. Okay, so pedals are nice and easy. So push in and up, so you can do that. Everything's quite stiff because it is new, so it will get easier. And then everything's on quick releases, so just make sure you lift the latch, and then this will enable this bit to come out. Okay, and then just take it off of its kickstand, and then fold it back on itself. This is where it's important that the pedals are in the right place. Okay, it has got a centre stand, so you can just lower it onto that, and then that folds back round on itself. Oh, I've got the pedals in the wrong place, that's why it's not going. To do the handlebars, so it's a two-handed movement, so pull that bit up and then that bit down. Just be careful of any of the cables, you don't want to pull or stretch them. So that comes down to there, and then it's folded. So the saddle is also quick release, so if you did want to put that right down or even take it out altogether, that's quite easy to do there. And then to put it back up, so just reverse it. So again, just watching any cables here. So push that back up so that's secure now. And then just fold it back out. So you can put it down on the kickstand now. So fold it back into itself. Just get that pedal out of the way. And then make sure you put the safety catch back over there, and then the pedals just flick out like so. Okay, you do also get some user guides with it, so you get a user manual and a battery care manual. So if you're going to read anything, I know not everyone likes reading instructions, but please, please, please read the battery care manual. It's very important that you look after that. I'm Laura from eSpokes, thank you for watching the video.